Welcome. You only need two things to start using Leverj.io: a MetaMask wallet and some Ether. You'll need Ether to deposit collateral into the Gluon Layer 2 network, or to withdraw your coins back to your MetaMask wallet. All of the trading happens on the Gluon Layer 2 network, so you don't pay any gas fees for these. If you don't have a MetaMask extension on your browser yet, please go to metamask.io/download. Follow the instructions and install MetaMask first. We officially support the Chrome, Opera, and Brave browsers. Once you have MetaMask installed, you'll be ready to get started. Go to live.leverj.io. Your MetaMask extension will pop up and ask you to log in with your password. Click on Create New Key and select your country of residence. While we are a DEX, we are compliant, so we don't accept persons from the US or UK on our futures exchange. Click on Connect Wallet. Confirm the registration. You can save the file in case you want to use other computers with this account. Once you have your account, you can then deposit. Confirm the transaction in the pop-up window, check the fees, and select an option that works for you. Wait for the deposit to be completed. Depending on the Ethereum network congestion and how much gas you paid, this can take from 5 to 30 minutes. You are now ready to trade.